How to buy Bitcoin. On Venmo, in this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to buy Bitcoin using the Venmo mobile application. Start by launching the Venmo app on your device, just as shown here. This takes you to the app's homepage. From there, go to the bottom menu bar and tap the crypto icon. Once you tap it, a new page will open where you'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies. From the list, go ahead and select Bitcoin. After selecting Bitcoin, a dedicated page for it will appear, showing details like the current price and other market information. Proceed by tapping the Buy button located at the bottom of the screen. At this point, a pop-up window may appear requiring you to verify or confirm your identity. If so, tap Continue to proceed. You'll now be taken to a screen where you can enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. Type in the amount you'd like to buy. After entering the amount, the next page will prompt you to select a payment method. Tap the area where it asks you to choose a payment source. A menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen with available options. Choose your preferred payment method, such as your bank account or debit card, and tap it to confirm. Finally, you'll be taken to a confirmation screen showing the transaction details. Carefully review the information, including fees and the payment method. Once you've confirmed everything is accurate, tap Buy Bitcoin to complete the purchase. The process is straightforward. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve the issue you were facing. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. That was how to buy Bitcoin on Venmo.